YouTube, this is Sandeep here and welcome back to my channel Wanderlust on Wheel। तो आज का डेस्टिनेशन है, तो ये आ गया अपना आज का डेस्टिनेशन नागरहोले नेशनल पार्क। Nagarhole National Park, which is also known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park, is an enchanting 247 square mile long wildlife reserve located in Kodagu and Mysore district of Karnataka. Nagarhole National Park is declared as 37th tiger reserve in India, which is also considered as World Heritage Site by UNESCO. There are three other parks, namely Bandipur Mudumalai and Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary adjacent to Nagarhole. Nagarhole has derived its name from Naga, means snake, and Hole refers to stream. The park has all total of 47 streams, 41 artificial tanks, and 4 big lakes with water throughout the year. North part of the park is bordered by Kabini River, which is the main water source, and many mammals can be spotted near the bank. This region receives heavy rainfall and is covered with dense forest. Southeastern region of the park is dry and excellent spot for finding predators and bird watching. Central region is famous for Kabini backwater and best spot to find elephant, gaur, deer and other wildlife. Whereas the western part is mostly covered with mountains, stream, waterfall and valleys. Nagarhole is filled with moist deciduous forest in which rosewood and teakwood are found very common in the southern part of the park. Other main trees found in this park are silver oak, sandalwood, teak, crocodile bark, Indian kino tree, axlewood and kadama. Top animals to spot here are Bengal tiger, leopard, sloth bear, dole, antelopes, barking deer, sambar deer, wild dog, elephant along with Indian gaur. Elephant sighting is very common in places where bamboo trees are found sufficiently. Other common animals found in this forest are jungle cat, leopard cat, grey langur, civet, mongoose, bonnet macaw, Indian giant flying squirrel, rabbit, pangolin, etc. Nagarhole National Park is also famous for bird watching and more than 250 species of birds are found here. The birds are commonly found near the Kabini river bank. Top birds to spot here are blue-beard bee-eater, Malabar whistling thrush, common osprey, duck, Malabar grey hornbill, herons, red-headed vulture, oriental white ibis, etc. The top reptiles found in this park are mugger or crocodile, common vine snake, bamboo pit viper, Indian rock python, Indian monitor lizard, common wolf snakes. There are also 96 species of dung beetle and more than 60 species of ant found in this park. The most interesting species of ant in this park is jumping ant, which can jump up to a height of 1 meter. The best time to visit the park is from October to May. During this period, spotting of animals and birds is easy. It is better to avoid monsoon season as during heavy rain, the park might be closed for visitors. Nagarhole National Park provide different type of safari experience with a varying ranges from jeep to bus at a cost of 500 to 1800 rupees per head. Boat safari and coracle rides are also available on River Kabini, which is the best way to spot aquatic life like water bird, crocodile or a bathing elephant. The sanctuary is located at a distance of 93 kilometers from Madikeri, 96 kilometers from Mysore city and 236 kilometers from Bangalore. The nearest railway station and airport are situated in Mysore. During our drive through this park, though we didn't spot any tiger, but thanks to my friend who shared this video which he had captured nearly a month ago while exploring the park. There are plenty of resorts including jungle lodge and resorts available for overnight stay which can either be booked online or directly by calling to the facility. This is JLR just before park's entrance. For my inquiry, I found homestay around Kutta are comparatively cheaper than the stays available towards the Mysore gate of the park. So now we are finally out from Nagarhole National Park. We entered the national park through Hunsur Gate, and this is the other end of national park called as Kutta or Nanachi. So this is the ticket counter and reception if you want to go for a jungle safari.
These are the safari timings: morning 6 AM to 8 AM, evening 2:30 to 4 PM.
This is the one end of Nagarhole National Park. यहाँ पे टॉयलेट वगैरह ऐसे facilities है. And the ideal place to spot wildlife is those water holes. अगर आप लोगों को दिखाई दे रहा है वहाँ पे बड़ा वाला एक तालाब है, तो उधर ज्यादा वाइल्ड स्पॉट करने का मौका मिलता है. So following the rule, you need to strictly adhere while driving inside Nagarhole National Park. You need to cross this park within 1 hour, or the delay in which will lead to a fine of 1000 rupees. Speed limit should be maintained 30 to 40 km per hour. And the entry closes from 6 PM to 6 AM. So here are the rangers who are taking care of this national park. A big salute to them. So these are the checkposts from where you need to procure your coupon before driving into the national park. And in those coupons they will mention the entry time. So accordingly you have to exit this national park within 1 hour.
Following are the do's and don'ts in a national park. This is Nagarhole National Park. If you like the video, please subscribe to Wanderlust on Wheel.
Bye bye.